What's your name?
My name is Kalale.
Kalale.
Yes.
You've heard Afrikaans?
Yeah. This is
No, but
Afrikaans.
he's keeping now quiet.
Yeah.
I don't think he's speaking Afrikaans. But he's a colored.
We're coming. Which one?
Huh?
What running? Morning happy.
When do you want me to come back? Saturday.
Yeah.
Where do I,
Monday.
come Monday. Where do I find you?
Monday. Yeah.
Where do I find you?
Or Kalabon. Yeah.
Kalabon. Okay.
Ang kaka ko labon.
Yeah.
Or kawa Kalabon.
Kalabon.
Kawasan kalabra ka san mo ngi labon ubu.
Ne. No, kihlahla usikawara. Tabakili yiso.
Mo ba tshwara ko?
Eh? But esan mo.
Anam.
Eh. Ne? Yeah, kiyabona usikawara la.
Osanya ke ka spatch.
Usanya
Bonke
kaka.
utikireta right wa tishela spatch.
Yeah. Leave phone. You see why you see what these guys are saying? That's yeah. 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 You see what they're saying? This you see what they're saying? These guys, they're saying, okay, this place is a little bit dangerous. There are people who text, the wallets, the phones, and they can come out with guns and all that stuff. But well, these are the places that I'm always moving around. Now we are talking of this area because this area is actually different from the one that we have been just walking into. You said, what's the name of this place? King Flekian. King.
EW.
EW. This is EW. This is an EW area. Hi girls and boys. How are you? Good. I need to ask you something. What's your name?
My name is Kalale.
Kalale. And you?
My name is Kahiso.
Kahiso there. And you? Melissa. And you?
Tina.
Okay. I need to ask you something. Which area is this one?
EW.
Especially this one. Down.
EW.
EW. Yes. So going this side? Going this side?
You don't know this side. I think this side when you just go straight then
It's Soshanguve somewhere there, ne?
no, Soshanguve is that side.
Or Soshanguve is this side?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me ask you something. Who is the president of South Africa? Who knows?
Ramaphosa.
They all know this, Cyril Ramaphosa. And how many countries do you have in Africa?
Countries.
Yes, countries.
We don't know.
Who knows how many countries you have in Africa?
I only know
Provinces.
Yes, we have
Yeah,
in South Africa.
How many provinces do you have in South Africa?
9.
9. You also know it's 9. All right, I'll tell you, ne? From today, I want you to know the countries in Africa is 54. You now know, ne?
Yes.
54 countries in Africa, right? Yes. Okay. So you said you're?
Kalale.
This is Kalarero, and this is
Kahiso.
Kahiso, and this is Melissa, and this is Homuso, and this is
Tina.
Do you watch YouTube, guys?
YouTube?
Yeah.
Yes, we do.
You sure?
Yes.
Then when you go to YouTube, you search for Walk Africa.
What?
Walk Africa.
Walk
Africa. So it's walk underscore underscore. Yeah, underscore is like this.
Yeah,
Score like that. Africa. Going that side. So walk Africa. All right. You will see this video, okay? And support it. You subscribe as well. All right. Walk. You want to search it now? Do you have data in your phone? You can search it.
No, we don't go with.
Oh, for a school, ne? All right, guys. Nice talking to you. I'll see you there on YouTube. All right. All right. Bye. All right, guys. I have a feeling that I must go down there. I've heard this area is a little bit chaotic, dangerous, but I want to try. I want to go do this for you guys. I don't know because I don't know this area well, and I'm not really afraid of anything. So guys, this is an area that you should know. They say this W something. Actually, this area is not even far away from Mabopane station. It's very near. So just want to show you these houses that is around here. You tell me what you think, guys. I've been doing different locations by now around this Mabopane, the black neighborhood areas, and I've been interacting to different people, how how friendly they are. Are they friendly? How camera friendly are they? That type of a thing. So let's just go a little bit up there. This is a little bit quieter. I don't know. If I wasn't familiar with South Africa, I think I should be getting scared. But anyway, I know these places like the back of my hand. So what happens here, I don't mind going through it. So how about going up there? This is not going to be that long video as I thought. I don't think it's going to be that long. So look at this pink house there. And also this other side, those houses there. Isn't love what I see here. So this is block. What did they say? If you've been listening to this video, I think you know what they said. Those young ones, they mentioned something. Okay, let's keep on going up there. Let's see what that other area is going to give us, guys. So you see, the thing is, I'm only, in most cases you'll find we're doing videos in the cities, so the locations are left out. That's the reason why I had to bring here, just to show you guys what is around the community, the black communities are, houses and all that stuff. So these are the black communities houses, as you can see. So bear with me and walk with me. Notice everything that you notice and comment down below. If you're living around this area, let me know what's the name of the street that we're going on, and what is the name actually. What is the name of this location? It's just next to the Mabopane station. It's not far away. It's just next to the cash build. If you've seen the cash build going up, yeah. So you can tell me what's the name of this location. Tell me. You can see there they are doing spray painting there. It's another place that they're doing spray painting as well. So okay, let's go up there. Let's go this way. I'll need to ask some of these guys. Hello, how are you? Good. Okay. Wanted to talk to you, but I felt a little bit awkward. Oh, there are cattle as well here, this area. I'm surprised. So actually, you guys, this area is not far away from Cash Builder, because Cash Builder and fair prices. It's just here, it's Cash Builder here. So there's a shop. Nice Cash Builder there. So these guys are actually living the luxury. for the nearby city, I mean shopping complexes. So guys, I'm not going to make this video long again as much as I was thinking. I'm just going to make it short. And please do subscribe, like and share this video. Until I see you in the next one again. Ciao, bye.